Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play color or die on piano. First, let's understand the song's structure, which is often in 4/4 time. Begin by identifying the main melody and the underlying harmonic progression. It's crucial to start by learning the basic chords and the rhythmic patterns. Remember to practice at a very slow tempo to build accuracy and develop strong muscle memory for both hands. For the left hand, you'll primarily be playing the root notes or simple chord voicings. It's essential to maintain a steady and consistent rhythm to establish the song's foundation. In certain sections, you might want to use arpeggiated patterns to create a fuller, richer sound. Focus on practicing smooth and seamless transitions between the various chord shapes to ensure a fluid performance. The right hand is responsible for carrying the main melody of color or die. To enrich the sound, try incorporating harmonies by adding 1 or 2 notes to the melody line. Paying close attention to dynamics is crucial for expressing the song's emotional depth. Practice your phrasing diligently to ensure the melody sings beautifully and conveys its intended feeling to your audience. To master color or die, always practice your hands separately before attempting to combine them. Utilizing a metronome is incredibly helpful for improving your timing and overall consistency. Listen to various recordings of the song to fully internalize its unique feel and nuances. Finally, compare different arrangements to discover your preferred playing style and make the piece truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.